girls and boys, Abby Brown here with Iowa PBS. Come wander and wonder with me. Ava and I are getting ready for a
snowflake party.
All right, Ava, we are going to make 3 types of snowflakes today to get ready for our snowflake party. And the first one looks like this. I already made one, okay? Can you see kind of how we are gonna make it?
Yep.
All right, so the first thing we need is a circle piece of paper, right? Now, I already cut some out, but I set you up so that you can make one of your own. Do you wanna do this purpley blue color or a green one?
I'll do a green one.
Okay, let's do that. There you go, now just trace right around it.
Yep.
Excellent. Okay, and then we'll just move this. This is just our stencil. And then grab some scissors and go ahead and cut it out. And you know what's cool about snowflakes, right? Every single one of them is unique and different, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if your cutting isn't perfect, I think that kind of actually makes a snowflake even more perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, now do you want to use the one you cut or do you want to pick a different one from our pile?
I'll do this one.
The orange one. I'm gonna stick with my purpley blue. Look how pretty our colors go together. All right, our next task is to use, yeah, we're gonna glue them on, but look how the one I made is snipped. And some of them are longer. Yep, and some of them are shorter. So I think we can make any design that we want out of our cotton swabs.
Just cut them.
Yeah, just snip them. It's kind of hard, and sometimes they go flying, but they're flying everywhere. All right, so we've already cut lots of cotton swabs. We have different lengths of them, and now it's time to be creative, and you can just glue them on any way that you want. Here's some glue for you. And what I like to do is just put a little bit of glue on my paper, kind of in a star pattern. And my favorite thing about this type of glue is that it dries clear. So even if when you're gluing on your cotton swabs, it'll disappear
That's cool.
afterwards. 1 snowflake down. How many to go?
2.
2 more. Let's go. All right, Ava, snowflake number 2. Which one do you want to do next?
The marshmallow one.
The marshmallow one. Check this out. Real simple. 2 items.
Marshmallows and toothpicks.
You got it. So this one has lots of different angles in it and different shapes. You can see triangles, and a circle always adds up to the same number of degrees. That's a lot of information, but we are gonna have to be a little more careful about exactly how we design this snowflake, and then later on we can explore and get more creative with it, okay? So start with 1 marshmallow. All right, this is gonna be your center, and then get 6 toothpicks. 5, 6, and then stick them all right into the center. And I put the flat side up like this. I start by putting one across from the other. So choose 1 marshmallow and stick just the end into the center of the marshmallow, and we'll use a separate toothpick for over
Like
here.
this?
Just like that, yep, and stop, right there. And now get another toothpick for the other side. Oops, toothpick.
Oh yeah.
And put it over here on this side. You got it. And so now if we look at here, we have this one and this one. Now let's do the 2 top ones. Okay, so get 2 more toothpicks and put them right up the top, like that.
That one.
No, leave it flat. And put that like this. And then we want to stick this one right into the top right there.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, you got it. And then do 1 more X going that way.
Going that way.
Yeah, you got it. Very good. So if you look at the one that I made earlier, we have our center marshmallow and all of these toothpicks.
Now we just need to do the outside.
Now we just need to do the outside. So the first thing we're going to do is put a marshmallow on the tip of each of one of our toothpicks. Looking good and looking delicious. There you go. Okay. What's the last step? If you look at the one that we have done, what do we need to finish up now?
The toothpicks.
Exactly. So I think you can just help yourself to a toothpick and then start connecting those outer
What if they don't like
marshmallows. They will connect all of the way.
What do they do?
Remember, because we know that a circle has 360 degrees. So on this snowflake, we have the perfect number of toothpicks and the perfect size of triangles to make a circle on the outside. Now this one we made exactly the same, right? With the same number of marshmallows and the same amount of toothpicks to make the perfect shape, because we know that it'll fit perfectly as a 6-sided figure. And what's that?
Hexagon.
It's a hexagon. You got it. But you could get creative with this one too, couldn't you?
Yes.
You could.
You can do different shapes.
Yeah, you could do different shapes. Use lots more toothpicks and lots more marshmallows, right? All right, moving right along. Which one's next?
The paper snowflake.
Yeah, the paper snowflake. And actually, in this case, we're going to use coffee filters, okay? They're really nice and thin. And flatten it out. That's the first part. Lots of reasons to use a coffee filter instead of paper. And the first one is that they're so much easier to snip.
Yeah.
So when we make snowflakes that have these beautiful designs in them, the first thing we have to do is fold it. So go ahead and fold it in half. Good. Fold it again.
Is it?
Yeah, you got it. Make them nice sharp creases on the sides, and let's do one more fold. Make it nice and sharp. There you go. Yes. Now that we have our coffee filter folded, do you know what the next step is?
To cut.
We have to cut, right? So grab your scissors and just have fun with this part. You can make tiny little designs and the cuts all over it. And you know what I sometimes forget is this top edge. So you want to cut on the folded edges and the top edge and make pretty designs everywhere. Okay, moment of truth.
Okay.
You want to go first? Yeah, I love it. So pretty. Oh, Ava,
There we go.
it's beautiful. Get it nice and flat. Mine's gonna look a lot different than yours, isn't it? Ooh, I love it.
Whoa.
Ah,
That's cool.
thank you. Look at those.
It's like that one, kind of.
Yeah, it is. Ava and I had a great time making snowflakes today, getting ready for our snowflake party. What adventures will you go on?
Have fun with